I've been a Helen Doran teacher for 8 years. I am the first teacher, the first Italian teacher, and I'm very proud. I decided to become a Helen Doran teacher because I love teaching, of course, not only English, but everything. But I love English and I love children. Baby's Best Start is a fantastic course, a great course, because it works. Another thing that I have to say about Baby's Best Start is the bonding that it creates between parents and children. It's incredible. It's important to start so young because the brain is prepared for this. Babies have all the sources inside them, and in Baby's Best Start we can see this. Helen Doran and all the teachers all around the world do the same thing. And for this reason, I'm very proud to be part of this family.